how I clean my makeup brushes, my new go-to natural hairstyle, acrylic nails. Occasionally I do my own pedicures, but I'm in the mood to treat myself, so we're gonna go to the salon today, and guess who's choosing a new nail color? Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. While I have your attention for the next 17 minutes, this will be my maintenance week routine. Let's get into it. So if you ever wondered how I clean my makeup brushes, this is how I do it. After a few uses, I don't count the uses, I just kind of clean my brushes when I'm in the mood to clean them, but you don't have to clean them after every single use. I'm going to take my makeup brush cleaner mat. My sister gifted this to me a few birthdays ago, but I know for sure, okay, not for sure, for sure, that it's on Amazon, so I'm gonna link it down below. I got you, link in the description box. So I'm gonna just put a little bit of soap on there. I'm gonna wet my brush. You want to keep swirling until the suds go from looking like your foundation color to more so like white suds. Then you know that you're cleaning your brush well. Shake out all of the excess water, and this is what you have, a nice clean brush. If you want to clean more than one brush at a time, because y'all know I like to go ahead and get in there, get to it, get done. If you're going to hold more than one, make sure that you're not mixing your brushes that you use for powder with the ones that you may use to apply cream products, because the cream ones do take a little bit longer to clean than the brushes that you only use to apply your powder. And also note that I never turn my brushes in a upwards motion to where the water is running down into the bristles and down through the handle of the brush, because it'll like weaken it and your brush will like fall apart. So I always hold it in a downwards motion and just kind of like swirl it around to get all of that product out, shake all of the water out, and then I sit it to the side to allow it to dry. I usually just grab all of the more small size brushes. I get all of those done at the same time. I individually check them all to make sure all of the soap is out and that they're nice and clean. The bar soap that I'm using is just Dial. I normally just grab like whichever hand soap I currently have. You can probably also use like a facial cleanser, since makeup brushes do touch your face. I'm pretty sure that would probably be fine. Just Google it and see, you know, what the internet says if you want professional advice on how to clean your brushes. But this is just how I clean mine. I sit them to the side on my dish drying rack, and then they just drip dry, and I'll be ready to use them, you know, in the morning or whenever I do my makeup again. Also, the dish drying mat is from Amazon as well. I'll leave it down below. If you don't have that mat, then just get a towel, a napkin, something that you can just lay them on that's clean while they dry. So the next day I decided to go ahead and do my nails. I have not done acrylic nails in a good little minute. It's time, baby, it's time, okay? I'm using the Mia's Secret clear acrylic powder, the Cover Beige acrylic powder, the liquid Monomer as well, and I'm gonna add in a few drops of the Apple Fresh to my liquid. It tones down the smell a little bit, but it's still gonna smell like a nail salon, okay? I'm also using the Mia's Secret dehydrator and the primer. If you're not new here, you know I prefer to use sculpting forms over nail tips. It saves me time from trying to match up sizes. I just get more of a customized nail shape. The brush that I'm using is by Long Hair Pretty Nails. I purchased this brush a while ago, so it's not available anymore, but I will link another brush that I love for you all down below. I'm gonna take this customized glitter mix that I made. Y'all ask me a lot like, where you get your stuff from? And I be linking everything. Y'all just don't be hearing me. Basically, any craft store that sells glitter, you get it, you mix it up. It's safe to go on your nails. Bada bing, bada boom. Add in some clear acrylic powder, you got yourself a customized glitter mix. So that's what I did. After I build the shape that I want on the end, I'm going to go ahead and use the Cover Beige on my nail bed. I'm going to cover the entire nail in clear. That is going to help me to keep my glitter nice and shiny, and also just cover the entire design from stains and things like that, and give the nail a little more strength. Just one accent nail. The rest of all of my nails are going to be just the Cover Beige all over. Since my forms do have numbers on the side, I decided to just make note of number 4. That's going to be the length of all of my nails. Not too long, not too short. A perfect middle ground for me. And I'm also going to do the almond shape on all of my nails. I like to take less product and just build my way up. So that's what I'm doing as well. And I just make sure that it's like nice and round on the end. I'm not going to bore you all with doing every single nail, because all of the rest of them are going to be the exact same. I never really have a problem with staining. Like whatever color I use, my nails usually just stay that color. But regardless of the design that I'm doing, I always, literally always, cover my nails with clear acrylic powder. I'm going to take my Teflon 180 grit nail file. If you saw my Amazon haul, then you already know what's up. This is my first time using this file. I love these. They really got my nails on point. After using my hand file, I did use my electric drill. I didn't bore you out with too much of the filing because it takes a while to just get the shape the way that you want. After filing and buffing, I washed my hands to remove all of the nail dust, and now I'm going to take my Madam Glam base gel. This is a soak off gel polish, so I'm going to apply one layer of this to each nail, and then I cure it underneath the UV lamp for 2 minutes. And I'm going to use just like a toner because I was out of alcohol, but if you use like a facial toner, it'll remove the tacky layer. Y'all like, what? She got a Sharpie? Period. Yes, a Sharpie, okay? So I'm going to take this Sharpie, and I was going to do like some swirls just to kind of accent my nails a little bit. This next little clip that y'all are going to see is me trying to figure out my designs. I decided not to trash this footage because this is my nail process. This is how I got to my final step. So I'm using the Madam Glam On My Way. This is like a teal gel color. It does need to be cured underneath the UV lamp. And then I took a black Sharpie just to give me basically like a leopard or cheetah type of design. I was also going to take that same Sharpie to do a marble look. Once you take a small little nail art brush, you can either dab it in alcohol or acetone. I was using acetone, and it's going to make the Sharpie kind of run a little bit, which will give you a marble look. I thought I wanted to go with that, but I'm going to change that again too, but I still want to show you all what it looks like. I decided to take off the black Sharpie and go with the gold one instead, and then I was going to add the black dots instead. I don't know, y'all, I was just and then I did like a little mix thing on that nail where it was just kind of like abstract on my ring finger, and then I was going to do like a angled French type of design on the pinky. I was just playing around with a lot of different things. Was not satisfied with this look at all. Since I had went an entire month without doing acrylic nails, honestly, I was just trying too hard, doing too much, and I was just like, no, I'm not feeling it. So I'm going to file off the gel. I'm going to use my acetone. Just going to file all of that off. And then I reached for these other permanent markers that I got from Dollar Tree. I was like, let's do some colorful swirls instead. I was gonna put like a different color on each finger. Still wasn't feeling that. So then I was like, okay, let's take that off. And then I took more of the Madam Glam gel polishes. And since it's gel, it's not gonna dry until you cure it underneath the UV lamp. I just took my dotting tool and I swirled through it to give me a marble design. And then on the ring finger, I was gonna have marble on one side and keep the other side plain, which is why I was kind of angling it. That was super cute. I'm going to revisit that again. I just wasn't feeling it this time around. So I decided to take all of that off. I got on Instagram Live with you all. Some of y'all may remember that night. We just chatted on there and we came up with just doing some 3D flowers. I was telling you all how whenever I do my sister's nails, I'm able to go a little more all out versus me doing my own hand. I am left-handed, so when it comes to doing my right hand, if I wanted to do 3D, I can't do as much, if that makes sense. It just takes longer, but I could get it done. So the way that I do 3D flowers, you want to dip your small brush into your acrylic liquid, dab off a lot of the excess, and you want to pick up a small ball. You don't work with your 3D until it gives you like a dull shape, and then you basically press into the middle and make your little 3D flower and connect the end together to make it look like a petal. So I'm taking the Madam Glam top gel, which is basically like the top coat, and I'm going to apply that on all of my nails. Before curing it underneath the UV lamp, I'm going to add a few Swarovskis just to make it pop a little bit more. I chopped the video down for you all, but I spent at least 4 hours doing my nails. That's why I'm not licensed. That's why I only do my nails. I'm self-taught. I don't want no clients, okay? Y'all be asking me, and it's just like, girl, I take 4 hours, sometimes 3. I ain't trying to sit down and do that all day. So that's the finished look. I love the way my nails turned out. It's been a week since I've done them. I'm loving them. They look really good. Whenever I'm not filming myself do my nails, I can do them in like 2 hours flat, but staying in the frame is a totally different subject that I don't even want to discuss. So the rings on my right hand are from Aldo. The one on the left, I do not remember. I've had it too long. And I like the flowers for the pop of color to acknowledge summer 2021. Now it's the next day and we're going to get a pedicure. If you all saw one of the previous vlogs, I went and got this white gel pedicure. It's grown out a little bit. It's probably been like 2.5 weeks. So it's time to switch it up a bit. Hi guys. So got my nails finished yesterday. So now we're getting ready to go into the nail salon. I go to American Nail and Spa. It's not sponsored, but it's the Cordova location. My sister put me on to this place. So whenever I don't feel like doing it myself, I come here. they just brought my mama to church clothes. It's the time for me, love. So that's why I wear my Bermuda shorts, so I can get the works. Hey, Chelsea, nice to meet you.
Girl, you was doing just the nails and stuff. You did like a little nail, I guess a little display thing on the wall.
Oh yeah, the nail polish rack. You been watching that long?
Yes, girl.
Oh my god. Since I built the rack. Wow. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, she been watching a long
Yeah, a long time. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. Shout out to all of y'all that I was meeting this day. I love meeting my subscribers in person. If y'all ever see me, please speak. A lot of y'all DM me afterwards and be like, hey, I saw you. I'm a very nice person, not just on the internet. I just want to put that out there. It sounds so cringy to acknowledge yourself being a nice person, but either way, if you ever see me, speak. So I was sharing a few clips on Instagram. A lot of y'all were asking me which pedicure I choose. I choose the Deluxe Spa Pedicure. So this one includes an aromatic foot soak, reshaping of your nails, cuticle cut, they buff the feet. If you have calluses, they do callus removal. You get the sugar scrub exfoliation, the warm lotion treatment with hot stones, which I absolutely love. And then you get to indulge in a warm paraffin wax, which is followed by the warm towels and your polish or gel polish of choice. I don't switch up from white that much. If you're not new here, then you already know the vibe. A lot of you all do tag me on Instagram saying I put you all on to the white gel pedicures. But this is the Wave Gel W194 that I'm getting. Y'all know I gotta put y'all on. I looked it up. It is available on Amazon. So of course I had to add it to my cart. You get the soak off gel as well as the regular nail polish. Y'all know I don't switch it up much. So if I tell y'all need this, you need this one. It's perfect for summer. Go and get this. Okay guys, so I'm done. Shout out to my subscribers. I just met like 3 of you all. This is where I come. A lot of y'all were like DMing me because I was posting little story clips. I took a picture as well of the color that I got. So if y'all like the little switch up, I took a mini little break from white to get like a nude, so it matches my Mia Secret, the cover beige. It matches it perfectly. You might want to mute this clip because I'm finna talk a little noise right quick. Ratchet Destiny said, what's good? Look at the matching nails. You can't tell me I ain't matched this color up perfectly to this nail set. That's what you can't tell me. To all the guys that's watching right now, if the toes don't match, send her back. Like, come on now, look at that. With the cuticle oil, our feet not ashy, they not dry, ain't none of that going on. What? Your fave could never. Oh, I am your fave? Ah, okay, never mind. Getting ready now to head to my little cousin's birthday party. I don't know if I'll hold that footage to let it be separate and then put all of the maintenance footage in the same video. I gotta do my hair now, but now let's go ahead and get into this natural hair, okay? So I'm gonna show you all my new go-to playful flirty hair curly puff of choice. So I started off by washing my hair in the shower. I did just recently show you all my wash day routine. If you saw the lessons and tips to level up in your 20s video that I uploaded, then you already know we did my natural hair in that video. So this is gonna be pretty quick. Yeah, my hair is low porosity. Y'all see how the water just be sitting on top of my strands? I'm taking my dermatologist prescribed ketoconazole shampoo and I'm just going to apply that to the affected area, which is the front, and then I just follow up with the rest of my regular routine. Check out that video. I'll just link it down below for you all. Originally it was a Sunday when I had done this hairstyle, but Sunday is my new rest day, so I went ahead and just took my hair down and I'm just going to re-show you all how I did that style. So you're going to need a spray bottle of water. I'm going to use my Luster Silk Curl Moisturizer Activator. This is the Biotin leave-in conditioning spray. This is a men's hairbrush from the beauty supply store if y'all saw that vlog. You want to start off by dampening your hair a little bit if it's not freshly washed. Your hair doesn't have to be freshly washed for this style. Separate out a few pieces. Look at the water. Girl, this is why I like to do my hair and then do my makeup, but it's cool. I'm going to take out 2 pieces in the front, and I like to take out a piece on the left and right side by my ears, and you can kind of leave a piece out in the back at the nape area if you would like. Whatever you prefer for this style. It's effortless, but it still takes time to do this style. So you want to brush your hair up towards the top of your head. Make sure you're satisfied with your pieces in the front before you secure your ponytail. I'm taking this scrunchie from Dollar Tree and I'm going to wrap that around about 3 times. take a little bit of the oil and work that onto my hair. And the Curl Activator Moisturizer is one of my favorites by Lustrous Silk. My hair loves these products. If you all saw that previous wash day routine, then you all already know what's good. Take the moisturizer activator, spiral that on my little pieces to make them a little more curly. Adding a bit more water will help with that as well. As my curls dry, it does shrivel up a little bit, so if you use a more heavy product, it'll keep your curl elongated. When you're doing your makeup, if you ever get the mascara on your face, allow it to dry and then you can get it right off with a spoolie. Thank me later. My friend Jerica put me on to the She's Bum Edge Control, so I've been using that one recently. My edge brush is from the beauty supply store as well, and I'm going to lay and slay my edges because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. That's my ointment that my dermatologist prescribed. I'm supposed to apply it daily. Sometimes I forget. Just picture this puff without the cute pieces. It gives you a cute, playful, flirty, just like different type of look, if you will. So I love that a lot. If you ain't feeling the curly pieces, then you know, just do a basic boring little puff if that's what you like. But if you're trying to give it a little flavor, baby, if you're trying to turn a couple of heads, you know, like, do this hairstyle. This is perfect for like a first date, going out. Baby, this is all me. If you're trying to say a lot without opening your mouth at all, wear this hairstyle, okay? It hit a little different. Super quick and easy. So we have our makeup brushes cleaned, our nails are done, we got the matching pedicure, and my new official go-to natural hairstyle of choice. Do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free to do so. We are on the road to 300K. And give this video a thumbs up if you made it to the end. You're the real MVP. And it'll also let me know that you all want to see more maintenance videos. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching.